So this recipe is another of festive little gifts that you can give to your family and friends. And one of the recipes I keep making year after year, every year, because they're so good, are the cinnamon, clove and chocolate cookies from Cardamom Trail. And these are the beautiful cookies which we will be making today. So first things first, I'm just going to whisk the butter just to make it nice and creamy. So I've got 175 grams, I'm just checking I'm saying the right amount. 175 grams of unsalted softened butter. I left it outside. To this I'm adding 175 grams of dark muscavado sugar. You can use any dark sugar you have. And also 75 grams of normal caster sugar. The dark sugar makes the cookies nice and chewy. That goes in, and also I'm going to add some spices. So half a teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of ground cloves, and that's going to make it really festive. Now whisk until it's nice and creamy. So we get rid of the whisk now, we don't need it. I'm just going to use a wooden spoon. Now goes in 1 large egg, which I'm just going to whisk with this. There you go. And then goes in 250 grams of self-raising flour. Just going to mix it a little bit before I add the last bits. Now 150 grams of roughly chopped up pistachios go in. I love pistachios and cookies. And also 175 grams of chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate chips. And then I'm just going to by hand mix it up. And it might seem a lot right now, but actually these are cookies that have got lots of chocolate, lots of nuts, and yeah, very festive with the spices as well. Just by hand bring it together, so it's all into one big lump of dough. Oh, it smells so good. Right, that's it. This does make a lot of cookies, around 40, my book says. But you can obviously, you know, I need so many to gift, so that's perfect for me. Right, so I've got the trays with the baking paper, and I'm just going to use a spoon so that I get kind of similar size cookies. I'm going to try and make them slightly smaller than usual because they're going to go in my gift box. So I've got around 9 on each tray, and I've still got same amount of mixture left. So I think it should make around 40. And I've just got some blitzed up pistachio, which I'm putting on top of the cookies, and it just looks quite nice when it's baked. So this goes in a hot oven at 180°C, 160 fan. And I'm going to bake these for 12 minutes and then see. Get them out, let them cool on a wire rack, and then enjoy it with a cup of tea. There you go. These have been in the oven for 14 minutes and they're still nice and lovely and gooey. So I'm going to get these out on a cooling rack. and these are ready. I am now going to make the second batch, but I'm going to sign off from here, and you've got to taste one, isn't it? It's not a super crunchy. Come close, come. It's a crunchy on the outside and gooey in the inside. Oh. I made it so often. It's one of the most baked cookies in our house. That pistachio with the cloves is amazing. So now I'm gonna wrap these up with the biscotti which we made yesterday, and you can join me this week to see what else my box of treats will have. Don't forget to subscribe. See you very soon. Bye for now. Happy baking.